So then I think of AI as a team member, and I think, okay, if I look at the humans that I have in the room, which ways of thinking, which knowledge do I not have represented in my humans? I want my AI to be able to fill that gap. It's not just that AI is going to come in and solve all our team problems for us. I need to understand what's going on with the thinking of my team in order to use AI as a better team member. When you say we're going to teach you how to work on a team, it doesn't dig in very deep. It really doesn't. It doesn't dig very deep into how people think. And that's a mistake, in my opinion. I think that people actually enjoy learning about how they think. That's been my experience over 34 years of teaching students at Penn State. People are intrigued by that. We don't put it into the mix enough. We don't want to invalidate if there's somebody who's very, very concerned about what AI is going to do. That's their prerogative. But I think that you're touching on that, the sense of for some people, the thought of AI becoming too much like a human makes them very, very uncomfortable, whereas others are actually seeking it. They would like that. They would actually like AI to be their companion or whatever. I don't think as society I don't think that conversation is over.